Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and today we are going to learn something exciting and new feature of our Google Doc. In our previous sessions we have already discussed what is Google Docs, why to use it, and in our today's section we are going to learn how how to set a page before writing anything in a doc. So let's start, and I hope you have watched our previous videos, and let's start with this video now. So first, to create a doc, we have already discussed that first we will learn from the scratch, and then I will tell you how to use these templates also. So just select blank page. So it's login, and whenever we want to write or create some project or anything, the main thing is that we should create a page whatever we want, like the margins and the length of the page. So in this video we are going to learn about how to create these margins, how to decide the color of paper, and everything uh, about this. So let's start. So here you can see it is open a blank page, right? Now if I want to change the color of this page, and if I want to add margin in this, what should I do? So here you can see the file menu. When I click on this file menu, you can see here are so many options. Sorry for that. Huh. Now from the bottom, when you see the is a page setup option. So when I click on this page setup option, it asks me, it gives me option to set up a page. Here I can select if I want my page to be in a portrait form or in a landscape form. Portrait means सीधा and landscape means आधा. Okay. Then later, if I want to write later, I can select the size of my paper. If I want to write something legal thing, so then this A3 page, A4 page, A5 page, and whatever you want. Okay. So we let's select something A4, because most of the documents which we print, that they are on A4 paper. So I have selected A4. Now here you can see the options for your margin. If you want margin at the top, let's say I want margin for, sorry for this, 2 inch, then I will write 2 here. If I want margin of 3 inch, then I will write 3 here. Okay, so let's set this for 2. Then here is the option for bottom margin. Again let's select this 2, left margin 2, right margin 2. Okay, so in this section we have selected the inches of our margin. Now here is a small circle where you can see a white color. When I click on this triangle, it provides me a various colors in this color palette. So here are the options which I can use whatever color I want to give it to my page. Suppose let's assume I select this gray color or this yellow color. Okay, let's select this light yellow color, and when I click on OK, this all thing will here. So you can see here the color of my page is changed, the margin is also changed, right? It's showing 2 inch from over here, and that's how we set a page before writing anything. But this 2 inch margin is very long, so let's make it a 0 or again 1. So again I am going to page setup option, and here I am making it 1. From bottom I'll make 0. I don't need margin in bottom. Here 1, and on that side I want 0. Yeah. Now over here you can see this scale, right? So when I move cursor toward this point, My cursor is also moved. Here you can see when I move this here, my cursor is moved. So it is useful to decide from where I want to write. Okay, if I want to write from the exactly starting of this page, then I can move it towards my left hand side. If I want to write from center, then I have moved it over here. So that's how. And same on this left side, you can see there is also another scale which is also used in the same way. If I want to start writing from top margin, then top, bottom. Okay, so just select I want to write it from here, and in this section I want to write from this margin will be sufficient. That's it. So now the page is set up. Now the first thing we do to create any project and anything is we give heading. So in this Google Doc we get a option of to insert header. So for that, here I will click on insert button, and in this section you can see watermark, header and footer, page numbers, break, right? So first add headers. So if I select header, see this header has overcome here. Now if I want to write, let's assume the name of my project is The Family Man. Okay, I have just watched that series, it was running in my head, that's why I'm choosing this. Whatever your project name you can add over here. Again I want to make it bold, and then align in center, and then yeah, this is my header. Okay, now it's little bit on the right side, it's not looking good, so we can move anytime the way we want it. Okay, from here. Okay, let's erase this. Now I'll write again The Family Man. So that's it, this is the header. Now here you can see this checkbox. If I click on this, it removes this. Why? Because that was first page header, so it differentiated between the page and the header. Okay, now here is the option header format. You can select the margin from top 0.5, 0.1, how much, whatever you want. Let's select this 2 inch. Okay, and this is for footer, we haven't inserted it yet, so we will say we will use it later. Okay, then when I apply, you can see over here the distance is increased. So let's header format, make it 0.3 inch, apply, and yeah, this is our header. If we want to align this, we can align it wherever we want. Okay, now align center, that's it. So this is how you insert a header. Now if you want to insert a footer means it will come over the end of the page. Okay, so I'll click on the insert button, then here again you have option for footer, and when you click on footer, here is the footer. Okay, so let's see, this is the heading of your page in the header, then here is the page, and then at the last you can see your footer. So it's reloading, I think that's why it's creating problem. So that's how you insert header and footer. Now here is another option you can get about watermark, and another inserting option like image, table, drawing, chart, about which we will learn in our next video. I hope you understood how to set a page before writing anything in a doc, and how to insert header and